Welding is the universally accepted method of permanently joining all metals. The British company A Weld runs 3 independently services, providing a high standard of professionalism and care, all of which hold their own UKAS accreditation, welding procedure and qualification testing, non-destructive testing, and mechanical testing.
My name is Adam Gould. I work for A Weld and I've been here for just over 15 years. Our customers expect an industry-leading turnaround. That's 3 to 5 working days as standard for what we do. We needed these results to be available quicker. Working for 8 hours a day performing manual hardness surveys didn't satisfy our customer needs. The main obstacle we had here at A Weld is we previously had a manual Vickers hardness testing machine. The manual machine was tied up for 8 hours a day with an operator performing hardness surveys. We needed that to speed up. Another problem with the machine was the positioning of the machine. Due to its location, the operator had to spend 8 hours a day twisted onto his side looking through the eyepiece, so we'd very often complain about back pain and all the associated injuries that came with it. The solution for us was to contact Zwick Roell and purchase an automated hardness testing machine. As soon as we contacted Zwick Roell, we knew we had the right partner. We don't look at suppliers and customers, we have partners here at A Weld, and Zwick Roell were certainly that. From the initial inquiry, which was dealt with quickly, to the sales support and aftercare training and support, it has been faultless. We had one instance where we had to contact Zwick Roell for some immediate support. They put us in touch with a technician who was on his mobile phone in an airport at the time. He solved the problem there and then for us remotely, and we could continue with our testing. It was fantastic. We now have a machine which is part of the team here at A Weld. Our employees are happy, productivity's up, and ultimately profits are up. So I'm happy.